The state government has decided to convert the entire stretch of Police Bazar, one of the biggest commercial hubs of the city, into a pedestrian and no honking zone. The decision was arrived at following an inspection of the area by Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Tuesday. Lyngdoh said that they have identified Police Bazar as one of the areas in the city which would be converted into a pedestrian zone and also no honking zone. He added that Shillong has become toxic and pedestrians are facing daily problems in negotiating the congested marketplace.
This inspection is an offshoot of the meeting I had organized a week back on 2 points. One is declaration of parts of Shillong as pedestrian zones or walker zone, and the other is no honking zones. So Shillong has become very toxic in the sense that pedestrians, it's very difficult for them to walk across, and the amount of honking, blaring of horns taking place all across the city, even in front of major hospitals, that is something that we would like to tackle.